to edit your mayor, your fans and not tell us what no, and I says, I'm calling for something, and some at the Abbasans, one to the Abbas and rough and a penalty. One of some at the Ebimo did you say? Now Hurricane, about point every year. I just a board of I say, and I'll be at just one on any defender. You found a Danzo Dumfries, Aquashai, and again about my referee, be to say, was some other Casabia Bono, and some other penalty on foot. One day, no, I'm recommending more Sabra. Never shot me a cancer page site monitor and no animal will change you up here. Was some quadruple penalty Emma Maya, your fans of England, a match as Hurricane, and some other restore parity Enra, and some our Sam match anymore. Now, I'm to the Abbas, a German referee, your fans of Felix Zoya Matompano, not just Enra, our from Anunti, and a match as a Bimo Abuafu, now Ucasanano Peno, Media Bantaman, some Van Dyke, and some Abai, Emma Van Dyke, Abacase, now editing our referee pompo and Kaebia normally referee pompola which now maybe a player see where Banwa Bachia where Banachas one word to come out where Banwa without question referee the Enra were born Abesa or Poapa and will go straight to the locker room. Now Onya Bonibia and Cabajani I just what did he have as a Montema referee no and some born Enra our match no not just I was from Anunti and a Cobas a referee and Kewa Bia one of some kind of question in the locker room. Now Van Dyke had the banana pain. Was him you want to just say a broson archers and Komoi I shall see maybe a chum I will brought by a quart and some pajama Van Dyke I say it's about how time I was here Bobo area said you play a bania you can't supposed to match said there be a player about me zone a match as one and central for a doom commanding a broson I was a reference no and some about your post match in a bay Monton San Fran reference no bar moments and say wait about send out J about send I want you way about to send I would do it. I would do it about Sunday. I was at the kind of post match, referees and some baby way. I asked some Van Dyke and Ra after the game on some other two job.
Whatever.
What Yarasa and some branch events have Van Dyke carry to Janino. Yabena at the Ama Yetel for an Anopewa branch media. You find yourself full time and no and some Naguswano and so Alcona, just Alcatano, Abasa, what chance I was a reference Ninano and some Abania Cancer post matcha and no I update Abba on Semino, yet Emma Yetel for an Anope and some our shows no more Cobasa or refer some Van Dyke area to own some coach. You find yourself Ronald Coleman and after a game on also say what did he have as a boy in the cross a referee and some other penalty. Now the best one can you say I say Hurricane who can short to a boy and I just want a young Danzo Dumfries and then the Kokoshi. Now video assistant referee I want to buy ya Bobola Juba Disabia referee what Trump can call Ebia just a pitch side on what Kokosha monitor and it's any money according to Netherlands coach your father said Coleman or say Modi video assistant referee as a bono Modi say game na our Didier Basasaniama and no some question and Yaniama and more matches of football and some unconcaninati what Didier Basanyama Sante Omugema Elboso our England Amino Wamusum money Spain Abapo and I said Trini Bakubusa Ronald Coleman say and you be a friend of game Abaso Didi Serbia England our chance and was a Spain for no Wamumotoban at down so cry now Dentro Didier Basso my fans Spain Wamusum Amatoba down so and say Wamusha bonus at the free today not just a Banfin Kakra Wamusa wingers our Lamin Jamal at Danny Faso Wubanya Nico Williams at the Benkumso and Kodami anyway and at the Jana say Wamusum still show at the match as a teamer your fans Spain and Unti Sakobasabia England ever say Wamusha a championship no and some now so dear at this England and Kodano as stop I am your Mawabosu and Sana Wamusum at me at Yentesma coach your fans are Ronald Coleman I just want to your coach and Maya your fans are Netherlands and Ra on some other man central for
quickly after the game had no time to shake his hand but listen, it is what it is, I can't. The game is done, we lost, and it's very tough to take. Certain moments, it was obvious that it should have gone.
I think England showed great football in the first half after 1-0 down. it's football, and maybe if you watch all the matches of them, maybe the Spanish
wo yɛhwɛ sɛ bibia bɛyɛ fine afei yɛgye tia ka no nyinaa no ɛde asɔ so agyama live on the show ɛwɔ abrɛ no ɛnso ɛde afirim ɛbrɛ no anɔpɛ a yɛde update no nyinaa de ba afei yɛnkɔ bɔbɔku a yɛfa no sɛ Real Madrid ɛnso aso ɛme no wokasɛi no yɛnim sɛ nkɔda no ɛfa no sɛ Mbappe ɛyɛ obia Real Madrid from America ne yɛbɛto gya dadaada ɛma mema wo itinerary sɛdeɛ Mbappe presentation ɛde sɛdeɛ Mbappe dwumadeɛ no nyinaa no ɛno nso abɛkɔ ɛwɔ Real Madrid ɔmo nso aso yɛ na meka kyɛw sɛ nyame yɛ adom and on the 16th and our contender you find say Mbappe and the presentation and no and some other so now you can 16th for one share we because say be a train nyame next week Tuesday and I just said Jumadi and as of just say and now me no casino and no I said your plan no and so city now report to me and say we remember some no Mbappe so and no pay make catch on so much as Tony Jason and no some Jason number 9 now Jason number 9 I just our contender your friend is Mbappe. I'm turning in ano. Also no pameka authentic and want some natural. Not just open the JC Aya Papa. What one aboard and watch it. What the Abia Champions League badge upon and I say La Liga. I'm a badge upon and also a bronco. Our Asana Dominion say be I 140 euros. I know I one and a bills I 185 euros. I know and I just say a little of an year. You can say 3,000 Ghana. I just a Ghana sick coming. I was so she and Sana Quatana. Your father say Mbappe Jason was someone you be out to our Pelalica here. What per Champions League Gatianino as I authentic and they you don't update in that demo. Now Tabina Quatana. Your father say Mbappe ever started processing and some Adama Madrida report to me and some American about to just boys nibi uncle US nibi. Just a team uncle US aba and a bimos ever start to our processing. Report to me second and nano payno and some other set Yamia Duma. I best say Mbappe Tiano. Almost say Maminga Jason Kranza. Also Kebia normally sa Oplesi all da Sebia Woto Real Madrid. Womu JC our onliner. Womusin Ketekina Ochomiensa. Edukobe Sebia Bosumi. Nacha Sebia 3 weeks after 1 month no. Nacha sa Obabanya JC na. Woso Odasa Obasa Woto. Namum yesterday Mbappe effect. Amameno Kasai. Among from Oplesi or Dano Toto. Editinamino Kasebia, oh Ghana now pursue all done online. Nankabia Bessa Bosumi on Sabacanana, Yasem Assisa, Amajamensa Canasebia, Abessa Bosumi Alcobessa Bosumi, and Asebia Bessa 1 month, Alco 2 weeks, and Sana was said to me a Kania, your father saying Mbappe, and some Jason. Now report to me, Canasena Mia Duma, Womuko US in the bar, 6 August, and a Mantama Kumako, and what came Abastate, Wamusum a process in essence. Woman and a big Copa America, a bit some Euros, no, Danny Cafaya, Jude Bellingham, Kylian Mbappe, Aurelien Chouameni, Eduardo Camavinga, Ferland Mendy, Federico Valverde, and Alcatana, your father Sam Alfonso Davis Munino, Yamia Duma, almost the Yamesa Canasa, I on the 6th of August, and a boys, no, almost some other state, almost presence in Gentia, Medi Alfonso Davis, Adia Cahono, and Sam, I like Lusabokua, your father Real Madrid, Ebet Miatono, Wamusum to me talk with Danatia, not just a 6, I don't know, and some report our Real Madrid training grounds and update about Mbappe Tiano Dominion said Kobasa Mbappe and some started processing one of US in the bar one of some other count I must say Mayan Ruby beer out as I am no Casa Bueno we bet me and Argent Ebia, the holidays I was watching no one I cut in a short. Ebia days I was quoting one of some other castle. Celebrate on about me about 2,000 tampa. At the Ama Real Madrid Timino, not German can say Ebia, name Mbappe and young conquest surgery. On Sam Becassan and Winino, woman young surgery. No one now game about so no. What was our doctors and a team about me a mask no at the October Bina, what program our brand and name Abetaho. She NC. ama doctors no enso catch on Sompa wobetimi abobo ewa bra mask enso enhye nanim enti boy no so the ball eya just a game no enso awie na no na jaminya ne na no pay ene say yes Real Madrid for no tiri be sa na tedi a ene akwara na fa no say Mbappe no ade kan say surgery wo mtiri e ba sa nyare yes abeba so enso ade amano ntia say nyame ya adom na koba say ya boy no enso starting the season e obobo ku a ye fa no say Real Madrid a enyare yes no Mbappe enso abehia mask e wa bra no enso my update na no pay no eno so aba ho nsam ni nyina no ye de ame ye tefo enso awo show no so onim sam no kasai report am say kan say bonsa wo mo president fa no say wala porta no ebi mum start wo campaign enso adi tia owura ye fa no say la porta asha said that enom aye socials adama boboku a ye fa no say Barcelona no mo di kan start campaign no na bakom ayo som uklam na sumu klam no eno aye one ena me no kase no yes socials ni bi a chesanu aye sources no wo mo som ada so mo chese suma balsa no agina ho ensom ade ma said ye ne balsa ekwa wo mo tidi ye balsa emo amanyo man koye ensom anfama tim no emo amanyo man so nkokama ensom anfama boboko ni nyina no ensom aye sede owura ye fa no se wala porta aye ama chese balsa kwakwa bibia ho a wo mo som abuafu pa ana men na me no kase socials ni nyina no wo mo som ade sansam no enso ade ababa tutwa eno enso aye update aba bonsa for no yenim so mo ye kam new na kam new stadium amako partnership na bonsa partnership no wo mo som ane company na sa company no ye fan Figueras seating na Figueras seating for no womum ana be yakonya ye be install ensom our VVIP our VVIP akonya bi akeke our so tenemu a we feel comfortable and watch it our so tenemu a aboa ama chase ni kwase wachi ekoya wo ya na afa wo tenka se bia wo no mpene chase on kase animu emu ensom atutu etinam no kase bonsa womum som ana sa Figueras aya city no womo som akwakwa wieni a ye kan sa agreement a just womo ana be hwe amankonwa ye de be si aya VVIP no nyina no womo som na be install ne kama fei ma me boss afane na me no kase owura ye fan sa Hans Flick na ana just aya first day a akoba so owura fan sa Flick no ono som ade boss ankoda no starting ya ye fan sa no aya pre-season na pre-season na starting nyina no report am say kan sa na boss boys no buy etine aya day one enwade aye medical ne nyoma bi ana chese ka ho a wo mo som akokoye na mom enam no kasai no wo man kasa pre-season astarte ama nyoma ko kama adama cider ye for so bonsa entin kwara ni nyina bai we aye boys wo mo si wo makan ensom adama Barcelona wo mo som ana chese coach afansa Hans Flick anana wo mo som astarte pre-season ama team no yerim say na me no kase ye hose bia boys ne bi ensom aberekofa na recovery ni mu no report am say kan say one aye Frankie de Jong anafe 2 ensom aye bia gafinum ana chese pedri num na jaminya ne no pe ensom anu say ye hwa akwada na fa ne say no ensom aye chese gafia ana som po Frankie de Jong no jaminya ne say de Jong aye obia meche say ni prano wo mo sem say ana be kwadi awan hwa ebi onom obetimi require surgery na mom de Jong prano one wo mo bakoso amonita akwada na nsa wo mo monitor akwada ne wie na sem akokoba say bia akwada no ebe hia surgery woman ma de Jong enso aye na mo monitor no na so mo gidi e ba se bia ne attack no sa conservative enom aye treatment and also player ye fa no say de Jong enso anya de a wo mo so abe amasa treatment no enom enso atimi abaso a enom aye update eba onsem no ye de am ye for bonsa Nico Williams and some of them sir ya kan onsem pi ade acho data na enam no kasa no Jaminya no say yes say akoba say bia basa kwa ni mu meka tro eno asabi mu susu say basa ne akwata no wo ma reach agreement anso awie and say akoba say bia basa foko na omukọ katra be ba ofasi asikanie when ye dey ba em say be ba wo mu ni asem bia aka wo mu ni sheke sa akwara the last time me be church wo mu say wo mu na ma cha sa akwara no kra no wono so aba benya sky accretion say na ne contract be this year and basa boy e bia mu kakra anso adema Mbappe Ballon na make say no se basa bia Barca foko na mo present mo offer etema kwatana ye fan se Nico Williams yese be bro eni asem bia aka no metimi an se bia kwatano wo mo abegye ama chesa kwatano enso akọ me no ka say no report amenya no se PSG yese PSG mpan fo so Barca for no mo sra mo to mo ba bi pa o mama from afofro MF40 eye Paris Saint-Germain kra eden na asie yese am say ai and dem be atwam na Paris Saint-Germain and I just one day a year to 250 million and some Barca wo mo akwadana ye fan say Lamine Yamal domo kan nyina no masa wo bia nka ntro bia so po bia and obi anfa sika bia mai wo bia anfa offer bia mai emeka say wonom Lamine Yamal denako and sika no cross am kotia and no aye 250 million euros am say aye PSG and a debasa of Lamine Yamal no PSG first no kwa bia nim wo mo meka ntro bia say Lamine Yamal no wo mo som apen e wa brand aye ntro ana Barca for no wo mo som twa eno aye update aba me no ka say no Man City for say wo de João Cancelo say wo de near kan say 20 million euros aba woman abaje no ma jakoda na amanako Barca force a loan and a Man City say some pe loan dia a loan with obligation to buy Barca force say omo pen loan with non obligation to buy not just a Barca pen optional and a Man City force say not just a dia say yamu hwenya ye wo job play alone wa baba bam wo wie wo se pelon biem and wo say this time they akora ne bo wie e be ye nhye say wo so treska Barca say dabi wo mo say pen optional ama me no ka say no yesem omo da so di komo na me no ka say report amenya no say jufe and so I monitor body situation no e wa Barca ko ba say bia boboku ye fa no say Barca for wo man timi adwuma no na sempo e ba say bia Man City aye crowd say wo mo so ane juve abaye market Tedia, Wamuso betimi out Quatano, Ama Chasa Bueno, some Akobobokua, Yefan Jufi, and no idea for Amasua Deba, Meno Casabobo Corona PSG, made from Italy say. Paris Saint-Germain for say and come among some of our players you know also already one more try Victor Osimhen one more try a Vicha Varaskelia amateur some common no and about so come now report I mean second say yes PSG for say now what about Sanka one more 200 million euros abra Napoli now come off Varaskelia and I Victor Osimhen abom and yes president they say now we are bibi yamo now Osimhen kwa mobile bomb boy say what ya chamo cry 100 million and was say Kwaraskelia cry on ton onom amon tono na so waso dena chinchina twan obeto a 150 million what ya chaw cry no and some 130 million euros and sana kwadana ya fan say Varaskelia won say and some atimiaka intesina na 200 million basa obeso obefa Osimhen anafe akwadana ya fan say Varaskelia adiko sem abaya juma na Lukaku no Napoli for nyan sign nwie ba me no ka se Napoli for na hyase hye Lukaku JC omo wo GDS aye den a wo mo som aba sign akwadan na ye fa no so Romelu Lukaku ama akwadai ensom aba ba cha so mo dia enti so project e dia ma bon Sompa Lukaku ayo bia na me no ka se no wo mo som ahye ne JC e wa bra no ensom aye Napoli enso adia ye de update ni nyina no atem ye che for onim so mo start ayo mo campaign na Napoli bobo kwa starte asom awa di Mauro wudu aye di Mauro report amenya no say nei Antonio Conte Eden squad abai Victor Osimhen our squad ni mo womom ana starte campaign asom awa di Mauro a chesene nyina no asom aye update fi amaso ye asom aba fe na bamutin for no omo ameki announcement say akwada na fan say João Palhinha womo som asani no na João Palhinha wobashe number 16 and some our bamunchin just number 16 and akwadano and some abashia now brain is saying bawa bani nyina no ajaba akope ene sinanu so and some and so beje aye titles and so adama saida ye fan so buying archers and ayon koma akwadano and some akodi na okase last season akwadana ye fan so Jadon Sancho wonom akosha 10 ama saida ye fan so Dortmund me no kase no report to me nyane say na wo masesen ama Jason number 10 no wo mo de akwa koma Julian Brandt entena aye Julian Brandt and a report to me nyane so no enso aba be share jersey number 10 enso adiama side e fan say aye Dortmund na wa bra shark unya pa bibi fa to so na fa yan kura nim real quick wa bra ni nyina no enso my update frimo enso adebra no pay no enso ma wo show no so afei ma me front one say Arsenal me be catch on so mo edin katia na edin katia Arsenal for so mo jano kwan no na omo demand by 35 million euros our bra no ka say 35 million euros and omo demand ni nyina no akoba say teams bi atwe omo ti na teams bi twe omo ti no yesim ebese no omo ntimi nkanwie our bra ka omo nkanwie ni nyina no report ami nyan say na yesim oba na say bia pedin katia dia also bana abetua mete so living myself say omo pedin katia no sand Greenwood ade asoso our bra Greenwood do no akwa bi bia on perforce dabi wo bia obo yere de ye ma mesia kan from Marcelo ma no kase from Enrichi asom adeba ni nyina no na chese meya asom our chese myself say one tia say na me no kase myself for say wo mo say pe edin katia asom ade aso do no so a enom ay update aba honsam no ye de ema ye te for enano pay asom our show no so afei owura fa no say Richard Maron and owura fa no say John Duffin wo mo me no wo ma free ay Manchester ko nanka wo kan man omo physios a nampa no fom ye no we aka ho report am nya no say Woma juma no omo ye no yesi no omo ye nsacho pi our backroom staff ni mo enti physios menu omo ko na o kai se me be ka se Joshua Zigzi ebetimi abaman yu se se am na o ka se no Netherlands Africa competition mu enra enti Joshua Zigzi meti se yesi boy no twen se omo man go ahead ono so aba fly na chese boy ne fly okwa ne medical and so am Manchester United na the aba se se no and so an se man yu for no Mabeka Pensa done in Doye and I done in Doye ayo be your boy I'm a Switzerland our tournament anymore na oya dear pawonya gross nibi done in Doye adiano yes a so tesa Manchester for penno one some other say kwambia so bobo and so am a bobo fan say Manchester United our report aminya no and some other say in Doye ayo be no so apaman you know and some about den dia fei wuko aye Chelsea and so yeah, Chelsea on training grounds Emra na day 3 and I'm no kasa no and na day 4 na you said the urban so when you may see kwa on say and coach and father Thomas Tuchel na James ayo bia okwana nimpa na Rhys James asa create was actually goes to be account report amenya na no pen say one shot and coach your father Enzo Maresca no omo also mo create and omo also mo ko manim aba ni 2 number 8 no na just a player na your father Kane and Desiree Hall woman ana chesebia was a creation in no if you amaso de ba no chesebia chance de ba so create here wonye ne mom sakoba sebia Rhys James no and also create na sebia boy na ntimi an create one also wantimi an shekwa mo gina mo mo yeden enta was asudie ni nyina no asom akwese ni number 8 ni mienu so aba bra san kwara ne ne ye de pressure to omo so a and also kakwa fi omaso ye at aba minimum dia Chelsea for no woman who was Samu Omorodion eho meno kase so mo giri e ba se na wo ka aye striker so mo market ne so a Samu Omorodion enso aye striker one so aye ade pa enti awose kwan bia so moto se dia kan se bia Atletico wo mo so abagum wo mo timi gum dia ne Samu Omorodion dia no enom enso betimi aba so enso ade ama Chelsea aba bra no enso aye update aba ho nsem ne nyina no ye de ema ye chefo enano pai enso awo show no aba bra no enso aye update abanano pameka chaw say enra James Rodriguez adechi ene our Ghana ba say was the superior player of the game na just a boy na 5 matches awabo our Copa America demo wokita man of the match award ama kuma ku 4 na ebimu jiri e ba say nei I was here den here can say player of the tournament amano na just a golden aye born I was one of them Rodriguez will be say Movaki can see a baby as no Sunday Leo Messi. As I said, Messi will more Gisabia 1J and OJ. Now tournament to the boy number Popa. As I said, we are 6 Amakumaku 6. Emanano Pemecasa record our bra. Yabo Copa America. No be a 6 Amakumaku 6 in Nano. What the other set to record our brano. I Rodriguez at Jena Yabaino. Only say every month started campaign and some our Argentina camp. One say Ballon d'Or. Why? And your fan should Ballon. Massa mu diagram ba be yom say ai ana e was say bi akwadan na ye fan sem say Vinicius Junior and also when disastrous campaign our Copa America and must have fed you should Ballon when him say Barca for so what did say should Ballon omo bomb person be Lamine Yamal e Euros nem kwandia and was say Lamine Yamal e Barca podium ni mo I was say just Lamine Yamal no and some aya Ballon d'Or ni mo yesil you Messi come na to us re wo mo se mo to na Messi asamba be fakọ na ne musu ye be wie and I know desire mo be on the service and afakọ money betting what do US our promise say near Elcosum our Copa America no no so commercial be Leo Messi Elcoje no say ba Ballon d'Or e ma no anyo wanwa Messi
nyamiadom fancy nyamiadom award ne de me say libre kakra wom obiasuru dey say be area but I think say you look at the Argentine national team Crampona Lionel Messi is not their best player at this Copa America. Copa America na ye hwe ni din na ye enjoy tournament no. Lionel Messi is not the best player for the Argentina national team. The best player for the Argentina national team is Lautaro Martinez. Lionel Messi bemu ana oban to discussions when they go to the semi-final against Canada. Yes. Where Otimi assisted back Otimi Shego back at the end of the day or man of the match. But through the group stage ne ba san yeba be pimo the quarter final no kan san yeba be the semi final no. It was Lautaro Martinez who has been the man for Argentina in this particular competition. Now I think say nyame adom on the final na yebe hu nyoma bebre. But fancy yenya da je ne hwe Copa America nim kakra bi ne hwe ade bi kakra about Colombia. They say Colombia ewo 28 game unbeaten run. Na me say ankaye any European national team bia can me say Kenya aso and as a top nations ni bia eni momo when it comes to football. For example, obe nation bi to say Brazil ko obi abete say nation bi to say Argentina ko obi abete a nation bi to say England ko obi abete Italy ko obi abete. You mention a host of household international cup winners and national teams na nkasa na fancy omuna nke bobo mudin sa but Colombia ewo 28 games unbeaten run. Now look at this fancy the last time a Colombia elusu game was in 2022. It was against Argentina shomo 1-0. Now they've not lost a game since February 2022 till date and your record ketwa that means we are called the half of the year. Ewo 2022 mu lose match. Wako full year. Ewo 2023 won lose match.
Yes.
Asa be romu 2024 boko onyan lose game. It tells you the quality that they've been able to maintain around this team and the results of Munya. Now in the history of Colombia in terms of the Copa America emra edura obeka ne se omabo mo modern e Copa America ni obeka sa about 1975 where they played in the final of the competition. Then no about share a year 2001 where almost about the final of the competition but they won the Copa America. Copa America no imagine once pay, but they've played the final twice. Final twice in 75 was their first time. 75 they are no fancy di Maria and no almost second. Omo and the tournament no unfancy omonaso. Now in that particular final in 1975, Fancy Di Maria, now head coach Odina bench Edmond Moye Efrain Sanchez. Now with Efrain Sanchez built up a spine with Jose Zarate, Miguel Escobar, in the midfield of Oswaldo Calero, Eduardo Retat, then up front of Hugo Lodero and Ponciano Castro. So you look at this particular spine now against Peru. And a Copa America now you're born in 1975, and now final you're born 3 times. Yeah. 3 times near based on the fact that your first leg are based on points and your number of goals. It's the first leg in the Colombia share, second leg in the Peru share. It's the omunina points be it's the 4 goals in the decide yet. Mbesa kwa kubo playoff. So in the playoff again, and a Peru yeah they etimisho moje that particular title no. EDC ayo monaso. And no NMA 1975. Omantimi anje the Copa America in that particular year. Then in 2001. Ombenya coach a friend Francisco Maturana. Now, under Francisco Maturana, no, Anomoji the 2001 Copa America against Mexico. Now, this was a Mexico team. It was led by key players, be Ramon Morales and Jared El Bogetti. Now, Bogetti is an Italian, but had a superb career as a Mexican player on the other hand side. So half Italian, half Mexican. And he was a key component in that tournament for them. And in 2001, no fancy, almost show beer from the start of the tournament to the end. And omoje competition this year omonaso. And round one day, omo boy educate that particular tournament now. Oman one consider a single goal in 2001 Copa America. And Colombia EDJ led by Victor Arizabal and the branch of Eken Murelo. Now in that particular competition where omobo mo modern etimiji omonaso no ebani nyina they struggle to make an impact when it comes to the competition. So in the history of their coaches, Fancy Di Maria, Ubedi Kaka coach Hernan Dario Gomez. Now Hernan Dario Gomez, no, on original bench de Colombia between 1994 to 1998, no. Ade aye de bona baso ehwo no. Eye say ultimately omo qualify for the 98 World Cup.
Yes.
After that, no, omo ko World Cup no anche bia no mo free muntem Colombia qualify out of the group. And omo ko fie no mo yinedi. But he also came back in 2010 and making sure so Odioma qualify for the 2011 Copa America and also Moko lose in the quarterfinal. And ye now with a win rate of 47.4%, they believe say going to the World Cup alone, qualifying for the quarterfinals of the Copa America in 2011, are good enough for them because and me say coach friend Hernan Dario Gomez. I don't know our friend El Bolilo no the Jumedi na eso ani. Now on only free one the next coach by friend Ronaldo Rueda. Now Ronaldo Rueda no ebo modern and make sure from 2001 Copa America in 2001. So there was a huge expectation for the Colombian national team from 2001. But on making sure say between 2004 to 2006, Nijumedi Obedi no qualify for 2004 Copa America in Peru. Now in Peru, or also fourth. So they believe say after 2001 or 75 for both also second. No, they've been someone I want left you or more. Eddie Omabe to the semi-final. That's why it say omu team no mudi 2 years elko form no. A brand and a coach Ronaldo Rueda ebe born home with a win percentage of 52.5%. Omudi 2 years obebo omo. Then you are only free one ma omo believe say Eduardo Lara. I no be for team no so no so be coach team no in 2010 I dey omo call South Africa and a qualification crampo no omo bo omo modern team call no omo ntimi and make sure so make a huge impact back. That's why I say with a 55.5% win percentage there, they believe it's okay for them. Then there is Jose Nestor Peckerman. Now Peckerman becomes the highlight of the Colombian national team due to these reasons. Also on the Argentina youth team under 20
Sompa Sports
Ekwaje the U20 World Cup in 95, in 97, and 2001. Now fancy the other guy in 2001 pa a game on Ghana the board that final. In 2001, no, John Pencil, John Mensah, Patrick Villas, Emmanuel Papu, Mike Lessien, Derek Boateng, Sule Muntari, Razak Bempong, Kwakudia, Ibrahim Abdul Razak, and a Peckerman lead you more. But Peckerman Sasube PMO senior team between 2004 2006. And what the Argentina about the Confederations Cup budget the bronze medal. It was for Colombia team. There was so much expectations for Peckerman to complete, but Peckerman has always proven to be a key aspect for this particular Colombian side. Truly, with even the win rate. Now, fancy checking the win rate for Colombia during this particular time. Now 60.7. Now 60.7 from that. Your friend the professor 2 qualifying rounds towards the World Cup. And no managing say 2 Copa America. No, obetime making sure so or the Colombia be removed to the semis. Let's not forget about what happened in 2018 at the World Cup. England. And the team how can I say the next round? And we've seen what this team came to do our Brazil 2014 World Cup with who? James Rodriguez. Anna Peckerman Jumedia obedi ni during time I know under 20 youth team no. I was also be a senior coach between 2004 to 2006. Nani Pa or an assistant coach currently on the head coach de Colombia. It's fancy. It is not by fluke that Colombia has a coach in the shape of Nestor Lorenzo, who was the assistant of Peckerman, who they believe that between 2011 to 2018, Colombia football is after second form. And there is Nestor Lorenzo. What me about 26 matches fancy Obefe Jumano in June 2022. ya bɔ Marcelo Gallardo mudin de bia sa coach no de bia sa tameka for ni boni ana oya ade o ya bubɔ Tata Martino mu nyina din. But I think if you have a coach no assistant to Peckerman between 2004 to 2006 na Le ma mo de omu ye adwuma James Rodriguez edu 2 years Fancy Di Maria can carry akoro form no na all vie for being the best player of the competition now, then I believe say we should give him his flowers. 25 international matches, not a single loss for this coach. Fils Obefe Jumano in June 2022. I'll be so much happy. Say Obesa Swape with James Rodriguez being the player of the tournament. Fancy Di Maria, man of the match awards in Kwama Kumaku Inum. 6 assists, 1 goal. This is a tournament for James Rodriguez. Man of the match, not 4. He has been the key. 4. Fancy and what done games bebre di amomo. And kudos to him. Say also now at this time no. On say the career and said the city you said the city akona ankosa. From Real Madrid, akwana number Munich or ma try. You see, typical number 10s for omu gomu na can be fade out. So you watch him at the World Cup 2014. You watch the likes of Mesut Ozil. You watch the likes of Felipe Coutinho in that particular number 10 roles now. Fancy. And then Felipe Coutinho in Vasco da Gama.
When so Sao Paulo, no so nya bi mo.
Onu so nya bi mo. And ya back on onu na eba bobo. Now I say it is coming home for the baby o mako form lack no. Ya mi shiro mo. No mo nkoso ano mo fambra. Now I think they are yet to play the best team in the competition, which is Spain. Almost no more Babisha final. But I say it again. What Gary Southgate has done with this national team.
So far. I'm say yani a referee Southgate ebia ne records and answer nyoma or ya but ye hwe no. Bona at times be enye fe no. What am I saying? The judge, but a referee so be far national team.
I think Gary Southgate is more of an international coach than a national club side coach. Because how born or born. So to be more consistent your club, my club for ne young results they be and a draw the mama issue what they mention as no. But the national team level, I think at the knockout rounds, this is the kind of coach you need. This is the man in preparing who on tina on your national team fufra on sanko. Kobono a tournament football straight and direct. But the key players for England too are failing to also step up. And fancy, it is becoming a problem. Why Jude Bellingham or tournament anymore? Oshe goes there and Washe go back me no be influential their momo. In their first game on the Shego against Serbia. Then over the Hekan of also taken against Slovakia. And on the extra time. But in all, his contribution to this side has been quite limited. And fancy, I'm a Ballon d'Or winner yasem yidie. Still because he say Mbappe film. Vinicius a film. I think this time around the focus is not solely going to be on the international competitions. They will find a way to maneuver the discussion around the Champions League and who becomes UEFA best player, UEFA best this. Nom de kwako esalio man.
Wo me da say meza verse so ho ye.
Fancy me adom. Bia ye boko na unzo e.
Nyame adom kakra
nyame ase.
Yes. Yenti we.
Fancy eno England ball against Netherlands. Na one player I come akwa say na Eddie say Southgate beautiful replacing was around Phillips. And after some performances in the competition, you know, he finally settled with around Kobe Mainu. And around Tenum a step up. I take him mantle now or deliver the job that was expected of him. Now a year with perfection. This is a guy in senior football on the 10 months cry.
Yes.
But Bibia Abanakom in terms of say man responsibility say on tikino. Why yes I with exception. And Sana even under pressure, he's calm and take accurate decisions, makes him one person football no and so if you look at him, Olaki pace, but no any weakness. Of Fabo now his ability to make sure say or carry ball forward, the precise passes, anyhow, Usifa taking decisions, and no, one of the modern day make for this teams be here on a team. And once again, he's one person or no, and I'm England team and that balance now, no more answers you on He moves well with the ball, comes back to make sure there's a block or block here or block here. interceptions obey, passes obey, and one thing England for Niano, and Branton and air. Since we break here, Manchester United against Everton, a whole year, perfect, or by England national team when na Southgate, I try Arnold, Amfa, Gallagher by Amfa. A 19-year-old are not T-Benja in senior football undetermined crown. You are thrown in the mixer or no ends a year, the more your friend England, and now they are in the finals or ends a quackable. Yesterday was the best performance England for no ends put it up at this Euros in the first 45 minutes for me. Performance of my bond year panel was against the Netherlands. The women who considered first goal. A call from, but Tomo reaction after conceding the goal no made it possible for Omo send Omo into the final no. And nipa bakwa oka die yehu sasesa ewo England national team na Kobe Menu. Since we share team you know, we've seen improvement upon improvement, and Kobe Menu juma. And it's not fluke that many of the midfielders were more England no on Bonabaso. So when you say post codes more no more cancer and part of these are people born on Mabobi. Who good player no come on deliver Kobe Menu no. I think that Branton and so Juman and with the Anoma NCC call over the full season of Manchester United no. I think that to be one of the best things basically happening to football. This tournament who's on Kwalano actually BB. Yeah, who say and Kwane Mayenya who so say future of football no in safe hands. No more NCC challenge. I think
the prime Messi Ronaldo Eden Hazard Mugana.
But you been there so near dia. You bit me enjoy football no. You go where Yamamo or where Dagula, the Kobe Melu and before the moon nane that too good. Into more trends the football no and is in good hands. I think that you enjoy football ni ye. The next game of a ball in England shirt you know is against one of the teams omo machine nankasa midfielders no. And they play and act very mature. Go ahead, Rodri. Now have Fabian Ruiz. All Mumudina Vinvoa. This is a midfielder. Midfielders, I think, say in that game, you bet him who the way must be Jacob. But they were trying, and then they were with the English national team Kakreyano. I mean, say Kobe Menu as one person that he will go far, and definitely he's delivering for Tima, your friend in England. Fancy Yambo on Ronald Koeman Abaso. Over Holland team we are. And yet the Holland team in Nayinim taking control of games, possession-based football and everything. But there is a manager over tournament, you know. Upe player back over Bonnie Dean in the Netherlands setup, and Frankie de Jong. He was nowhere to be found. In Tiano Kra affected or Mwankasa play, no. And now what Timia try for more this level. I think it's a why idea. And for me, no cast stories be at the far on one casa home because Barcelona or Koya Vatimo go and said no man's farm farmer no far Netherlands national team ni beam no do the final four Euros no Arsenal. I think they see a ball who friend a Ronald Koeman Abaso. Di no bet Timia no and what Timia at the Netherlands no. So when team ni no bar. He will come and do good thing for my your friend Netherlands. Any other tournament and so Esifaga. Everybody Minika announced say draw Palia or Manswetimiafano.
Yes.
And I think that Vincent Company Timua AB Betimia Dina Brani Ewo Bundesliga nim and Afe Europe. To me, the importance of defensive midfielders in modern day football. Even coaches are or more and so I am much centered on possession crano here defensive midfielders are papa in their team. Pep Guardiola ni himself when it comes to possession of a year pa. But the team be or defensive midfielders or more Jumano. Sergio Busquets Jumano. Or Tenef Leflama need him to a right back at Neba number 6 but in Bayer Jumano. Ubenya Fernandinho Koyen and he play Fernandinho with Rodri.
Or the Fernando Bucran.
That's what buy. And so Henwa defensively on when it comes to midfielders or Mayor Sergio Mano. The defensive midfielders dear. Untimi your move for free football. And so here Bayern Munich for now. This is a team when you Xabi Alonso, when you Mark Van Bommel, when you Michel Ballack mo Schweinsteiger Muntime for this near one place I say or me take or Bayern Munich or me team no flourish. The last time Omunya a proper defensive midfielder in their setup was a branch of Javi Martinez. And if you walk away, we've not seen Bayern Munich just side position, you know. Omanya nipa or judgment ye the more into no much debiada and koyem for last season. Tomachuka bre ye pa or try Kemet ne Goreska amfa Kemet ne sa ma branch bi na or buy sa Pavlovich no or my young guy no or try not to antimi amfa this all Vincent company no buy no nya Joao Paulinho and I think say a profile na Bayern Munich for ni here. This is one person in the 2 years he spent in the Premier League, he gave consistent performance. Last season, 152 tackles, 24 more than Nipa no Beno in the Premier League. So for him and how Bayern Munich for now following for so many years, finally they've got their man. No, I think so. No, and one player best the shape of the Bayern Munich team and obe properly to success because of how the football in the city. Tackles he will give you or jibo ni we now person on sign so and start attack now or start attack and so to media bound from Fulham yehudo the Portuguese national team yehudo and now Bayern Munich Kenya no in their team no I think they want to now a bit me abomo gradually ultimus a Vincent company get things right and what she said team no said obi for we him say Vincent company put that 4-4-2 shape or tie bono be no born war team a friend Bayern Munich when you have Paulinho e won finfio now be was a Goret cow say Kemet Canada kanwa so ankwa you are rest assured say you have a solid midfielder so metima yadwuma no enso atinama so Joao Paulinho addition no e one perfect and so the team a friend Bayern Munich matese mu di Ballon d'Or hunkomo at the moment the Ballon d'Or ma Jude Bellingham no see a passion via chow, see a pioneer star chow. What is so special about Jude Bellingham? We've seen Jude Bellingham flying for Real Madrid. Look at the Real Madrid setup. They have midfielder that will liberate a branch and he was performing. He performed the starting season, got to a point, he went off. Yes, season Jude Bellingham no starting season only no. Yeah, when say oba England set up nim dan yankasa wo de ya hu say o boss na three back no boss 2 number 10s no e den pa na Jude Bellingham England set up o de count
enyo no asanka against Slovakia nkomunko
fancy when player give that result and no one warranty is wonje Ballon d'Or the tournament he's having na say the back ho with the performance onya won team a and on Teresa won Ballon d'Or. Jude Bellingham ain't deserve Ballon d'Or. No? And I'm happy the way things are going. You talk about Messi deserve one deserve it. These are people are more bodino bobrana de go. So the little they do, it pushes them to the finish line. For me, see the Ballon d'Or pa be Jude Bellingham mo dia. Then Javi Muni next mo be was as you know, so mo be here to me dia go. Jude Bellingham does not deserve to win the Ballon d'Or. Or me football sometimes football na kasana no de wom but Jude pa de fancy
man say abeku the website say God bless you for saying this but they will come and insult you for this.
Oh and no
and I do know watch Cosmos say what about Ozil and Di Maria? Ozil is better than Xavi and Iniesta or so mumie no so na nkomo so e deserve Ballon d'Or
nkomo bi but Jude fancy Jude Adabraka Ballon d'Or ne dey
o men kra
dabi obebe ho but oni kwa so oje
enche be into when na fu so oje
me na make no Messi mu no need oje Ballon d'Or na sa obesa ba nkomo nim o Messi Copa America na obesa ba nkomo nim
Jude so Giros ne
because you want to Messi na fra kosura wo samre hu say so sane but oguso o ye adwuma no Jude mo ba but do mo ye enya ina
so what of say England ebeji
England Euros
because Jude aje Super Copa de España waje the Champions League aje La Liga and so the Euros no so
Musa Schneider we ka kire o
the whole debrief ma Bellingham the way they may disagree with Barras now this is my stance. Once Bellingham knows now, me with me issues with him.
Sompa
I'm a catcher, I say wait. Zidane Subi anymore. So that comparison with Zidane, I don't agree to. Where he looks more to me like a Frank Lampard than a Zinedine Zidane. The skill set, a mechanical, hard worker, a boss shot, has a knife for goal. And looking more of Lampard, Ballack B, but Ballack cry a more technical scene way, than Zinedine Zidane. Yeah, another story. But I think the year under review, Novaras, he has been exceptional. Dear all it wasn't really something we expected of him. Bellingham first season numbers or contributing to Real Madrid. De La Liga, his contributions to Real Madrid en route to winning the Champions League. You know, so he's had an exceptionally brilliant year. The talent is different, but no, I think except for the pass bonabaso. Now he needs a topping. I say why cake in the way. The icing on the cake will be how he plays a role in England winning it. He doesn't necessarily need to be the best player or tournament in him, but I think he's had some good contributions. Be our boy, baby England Bruno. Untimi enyi Bellingham in film. He has contributed. Yeah, and Tisaumu I think it helps his case. Honestly, Ballon d'Or on the wall a moody idea. But even if it comes to fair play, this boy has carefully prepared himself for that. Check it. Rarely do you see Bellingham ne opponent going neck to neck. Mostly Ochia opponent. Otofama wabe foul. Sa pia we no ye ni no. It is to put something in your mind that he's also somebody who embraces fair play.
Yes.
Exactly. And how he's prepared himself and how why ye no adwuma de ye say you know ebuapa akomia ye ne kojo na celebration e better ne marks so. But all in all, I'm talking about overall. I think the contribution should play a part in helping him win the Ballon d'Or. And there has not been one standout performer this year. World football. Obien wa we no ho say ono kwa de wa team into ono ye better than the rest. They be ni hosa. And that is how come it makes the case more ideal. I say Rodri has not been that exceptionally brilliant individually. No, he has been consistent.
In retrospect.
Yeah, he has been consistent, but not brilliant.
The final now, Man United show muna. Whenever Rodri Bebo game beyond and a Manchester City game beyond, you saw the impact and the influence and all.
No, but this bar also has
and even for the
numbers.
Spanish national team, Cramponeba into this tournament.
The same national team
because should start for Real Madrid. It was, sorry to say, crazy.
And I make her say, one, primary role, the entire kofa ne buy no. Oh yeah, but he added something extra. Rodri has been consistency. And if it was about achievement, Bellingham Diano, he has contributed numbers that has led to certain achievement to be a broad so. And the case against Rodri again, ASA, we live in a football world where we look at numbers. That is where the goals and the assist comes in. They will mostly dwell on that. And I fancy baby, sir. But I think this will be a case of me tayo no but me in America. And in America, I mean, the contributions for the year are highly commendable. And based on the fact that the standards no Andrew Messi, Ronaldo, Musa, no Muchato, Hono, and nobody has been a standout. Vinicius, Nelson, one, why be na beba contender be other bobo. Bobo mame.
Vinicius.
Beba other one.
Mbappe.
Nansu bebre one ho. PSG
tournament
Trokan
Vinicius.
Trokan Nansu one ho. Yeah, Nansu one ho.
Red card.
Vinicius.
Brazil Copa America.
Vinicius.
Yes, and I'm a catcher. Bobby.
Rodri.
Nelson one ho.
Oh my.
Against Jude Bellingham's Manchester Real Madrid. They won the Champions League name.
Vinicius. Once a Champions League now, and they do maybe no. Everyone is a free bear. Cortes Hoba. Vinicius was even the most important player for Real Madrid.
Catcher said time of Vinicius prior, the one who held the mantle was Jude Bellingham. And I'm saying, Obiero why stand out our more big gap. Gap will be anymore. Exactly. But I am making a case for this boy.
Didn't you remember the year story? Not to catch you, but didn't you remember the year story? And he said, "Baby, I'm in a piece ni free no." Say, "Basse be a Spain J Euros na." Lami yama de ne say, "Kind of Barca for kind of keke. Ebi on be homo kind of keke." But ebema Jude ni Vinicius me free mama Leo Messi be stand tall be him.
Oh, he can come
because
into the picture.
One or a defending champion. Nippon no share sa piece no baby omo fa de ni free no. And you're so serious to the extent that Jude standing greater chance.
And don't
because
forget,
Jude, you know, Kaya, the entire man for say on goals no maybe no. Okay, so more boss City game you know Becca say Ancelotti are limiting the run, what changing the run from say no couldn't so yet defensive duties no more.
but he was still making an impact.
What am I say?
So maybe they make say in a year where you standout performance, Ebimun team, no. I think we should not discredit Jude Bellingham for Ballon d'Or.
Oh yeah, that one would deserve it.
What to go. If he wins it, me, I won't have any qualms. And as Zidane names are always similar. Parallels no more drawn on this. That's how the end the name me bufu. Me said I didn't be Jakra. We on Benz Zidane baby but dear why you know? Dear why you know? Except at a Bonaba, so he deserves it if he gets to win the Euros Necradi and
Sompa Sports.
So kudos to him. Oh, many argument in Tia Rodri. They say, Mama Mombo Bellingham didn't tungu. He deserves to be there. See, you top three performers for this year. And La Liga no any player of a league. There's some of them man. Fancy. Ya wakase bia ye kan say dimpa eyesi ahunya. Ana se dimbone so ba bebata ho a aya na den to distance yourself from it. And mostly it takes years of toil, hard work to form a certain reputation, integrity about you. But it takes a moment, second, minute. Nasa de no asai papa we dey na me bu ne pa we bu for 20 years. So ade ba ku bi a wo ye nti afa de bu na obu no ayeden ahye. Oh, papa we na me nim ne pa na me nim say na onti sa kra ba enam ade bi akokoye nti ama we lose sa ade na ade na say. So clearly what I'm saying here it is the case of referee Felix Zwaya. Fancy Felix Zwaya is a German referee. Oyobia Sebin Cabran wa Bobby Pa. He's a real estate broker.
Where is the boo scout?
A real estate broker.
Sweden bina no millionaire. As I'm a real referee. No,
I'll get you the name. Yeah. But when you're a real estate broker, now unim the entire atene imagining reputations when the OBA and was a referee the fracadam. He say wajiska.
The bribery, you know.
300 euros per.
Yeah.
This was even way back 2005 into 300 euros yet and they bear 1,000 euros. But for the work he does, professional woman no. And yes, he can be no. But that is how come at the Phoebe abetarini dine hua. The obey biano. People will always go back and reference. Time I appointing is on the bedi game we crano. No master and a referee I have yachin is a watch a bribe. Truly, and you on the crown a kwaje bribe no. Shall I met me a brief way not to about the refereeing career. So we read it. No biatias. You'll be okay. Zwaya began officiating on the DFB level in 2004. In 2007, he was promoted to officiate in the Bundesliga 2, as well as an assistant referee in the Bundesliga. 2 years later, which was 2009, he was promoted to officiate in the Bundesliga for the 2009-2010 season. To the second paragraph. In 2005, Zwaya was involved in the match fixing scandal, which centered around Bundesliga 2 referee Robert Heuser. Robert Heuser na omo hwehwe. Yes. When the matches bebre sa omo fixing matches no wa gigiska. There was one particular game na between Wuppertaler SV and Zwaya ekoye assistant referee to Robert Heuser. So omo kwai na say oh, yeah beticheska. Enya tie ni o. Marco event. Oh, Charlie. Oh, mona mo bedi match and monje shamo 300 euros. Oh no nim. Omuji is kaniwe. Whatever happened, the scandal that arrived. And no Zwaya no. Any other 3 high-ranking referees. Eko catch a German football federation. They say, referee we no. And some like us in the bit mine because he a call match bi. Ama mo ma is kasi. And can you be na kwatini too? They were the ones that reported that incident. In Tomono Moko Kan said, dear Estimie, in Chayas or Kwaje bribe no Koshe Hodi, and Obi by no Sisede. But I bet Tiny Dino. And Obienya Wasema, as no quite obefaso or Becca. Until now, I bear a taint on his reputation, a taint on his image. And a debiano, yeah, the abundance of was
a about Jonas Eriksson.
Okay.
I'm just Sweden.
I bear a taint on his reputation. To be Bellingham, I could credit dinner tempe. Now referee we are chrono ni we are banning in 6 months. The only thing the DFB did not do well was to hide this aspect of his history. But someone will say, at the chrono here in the crowd, he was the one who helped in the investigations. On a better tour. And this year published near the Ballon, by saying in the area, what happens? Van Dijk and Sensamoke King, Massa.
Referee post.
No. No, I think referees should be held accountable. Yes. There should be a way where referees account for Nyoma Bekoso.
How?
Abro Mudi game. No. Coaches Become on some normal players account with the normal. So referees should be in a position to explain the rationale, the reasons behind certain decisions taken in the game. Referees near technical meeting, a review. Why can't the public who are also stakeholders of the game or Moshe game no? Other than more Quenya say, almost so ebenya the benefit of the referees explaining decisions. At the end, Yakofa a refugee came in Uba. No, I bet him. Now, for educational purposes, Sompa and that is why I think that the aspect of having a special post-game conference or post-game session, our referees church him. The will taking decisions when here because it will help to educate the public as well.
As a normal court to the level of say, be a big screen about stadium no. Now unchechi mo aba be guso. Now no kware me say Brazil or so, me say referee kasa through ne communication way no. Na ba PA system me say be o red card number so and so say enye kasa tintin bia.
I think that it is going to be an experience that will be introduced into Europe soon. So clearly there should be that avenue, but I don't think that one. A referee takes a decision. One, about the penalty, no, it's subjective and it's based on perspective. Say now, see who no. The who no. How did the referee also see it? But how referee saw it because they reported the court. But what happens to the public? There should be an explanation to that effect. So that when commentary is being passed on decisions, a very simple that is one thing. But I don't think in entirety, penalty no Edema England and Rano. It is an abomination, a lead to scandals and or favor England for no at the detriment Debbie.
Okay.
I don't share in that, but a dear Sebe, a batano dina and a masadi naba. There's just a cano who a trap bibia and sinipia like bibia entire in the one. We will really be having this conversation.
Whoa. Most of Kwame America, former IAPR Edmediana Stars or UK. Kwame America say, if Oli Watkins can win player of the match, don't be surprised Jude Bellingham can win Ballon d'Or. Even Fabio Cannavaro won the Ballon d'Or. Massa, anything can happen for Jude. Abu, what's the other one?
From the other, I don't pay commander Mudino. All the men time at times, interest Kakrao.
Okay.
Mathieu Vars and a Matia Comia and a Matthias Saiboard. My God, Narveza. I mean, now tell me as there was that's one better come and say. Vanzi the omniscient. Only Ballon d'Or near the man say a timer. Ombe Meji Award no FIFA
Ballon d'Or the boom.
Na mamencha wadi wi. Order from 91 na shase no. She 94 play or J a Ballon d'Or no. I think 94 e Romario. So Orine World Cup with Brazil. After 98 years Zinedine Zidane. Zidane that year about Champions League final.
Yes.
Olusu to Madrid. And Okoji World Cup with France.
Yes.
After 1918 about 2002. Now Ronaldo atena fia pracha obeje World Cup na yede ma no. Fiona about 2000. Or me kaba be sia semizo. Any about 2006. 2006 you know. Eno na Cannavaro e ba beje Ballon d'Or ne Sanji wi no.
Yes.
E wo ha na yekoye zo ya na ne ma nkambo me about 2010 e we Schneider de. Te say na we mo ka no. E na ayimu ne na ho na Messi mo. Beji fini sem no de ko.
Na say kambo mu na tumi na ba be Champions League for no.
Sa and sa tumi na still na that to cram. You na mo kan say bi about Jude Bellingham. Me a Madrid fan. Say ne kava mu ji we na man fan na ye dia se o.
In fact, Ballon d'Or for Cavaya.
Must pay you anyway. Clearly so no so Madrid team no mo so ajeje ne ma na ebo mu players di no. Enti so no so rene a.
Ma Jude.
Oh, Jude Bellingham. Vars kan say me ne ya adwen.
Okay.
So Jude Bellingham J Ballon d'Or me. Eka football so abere o. Fancy.
Madrid fan.
No crapa na me catch on. Oze. Oh, I didn't there's all ni me bi e ko.
Messi ana
o kan asem bi say kwa kokon ba bisi a o de magize bi a Colombia sha Argentina a mi say de a Colombia be sha Argentina mi say ye de a Colombia be sha Argentina
na man share
o de o man share hola asem kakro be Messi e fa ita be bi de fa what you say fancy asem na make am serious abenu ebe wan ma de na be won ebe saba be si UEFA Champions League so te say de na akomie ka no
Andrews Azori Jr. say Lautaro Martinez will win the Ballon d'Or. What you
guys are failing to appreciate is Messi and Ronaldo no almost standards no are different. It goes beyond.
We so be the boss almost ban almost exactly.
Until I'm say your way more no and then Shevchenko je Ballon d'Or no Michael Owen 2000 Ballon d'Or no Minim say make kan what here. Good. So you don't need to play and then get numbers like Messi and Ronaldo no, to be deserving. But it is for excellent individual output. And Ballon has given us an excellent individual. Me, any argument to discuss the talent of Ballon, I make actually say Osa born no nyem hu bokrampo. But the oyen, the onye hu born wo ho. There no ye nimu.
Why they?
For a midfielder to give you double figures for goals and assists, for a midfielder to rank top 3 Champions League top scorers, for a midfielder to have this level of impact, our team offensive contributions.
It will come down to who wins UEFA best player.
And then almost already UEFA best player. Person the name Messi kono. Who did Jude Bellingham ni Vinicius to one? Vinicius was higher check. But now they are on my walls you on me after season. Champions League, you know. So I don't really best player, na wage young best player. They make an what you say. But maybe issue ne say Ballon d'Or part Bellingham there. Hey fancy.
What says here is there Urban say omo the final na ma referee Francois Letezi. France referee ne be Spain and then England a match nyame yar ma this Sunday. Now obi say or the message no be quite because messages ne doso or say 3 weeks ago you best started tournament na na for be catch no so Sunday England and Spain a call final but one who winner. Now they are shocked on they say for England to come back from a goal down against Netherlands no. And I'm on no mum dey na drink as in England bet me afa. Then Jude Ballon d'Or there baza. Oh yes and America.
The best team in the tournament is Spain.
Yeah.
The most surprising team to make the final, England.
Whoa, Mate is coming home. Yes, young friends, young farmer, OP wallpapers now. OP say Mama J wallpapers, Nibina Toby. Dudobi Abeso Tobiano Wonsa and so Abeka, and I fake careless any designs a womb. Your TV backlight and so our whole arches, all the ball with TV, a cheese self-rearing light. Open your blind curtains or plastic wardrobes or center carpet and air diffusers, and so OP and China Bequacino Mapay and so at the every chronom barrier on the market at the and Shana for Doom PZ Nana Kwesi Ajman build in Emonsa and so Ebeka OP 0540353750 Boris Beef Chicken a kukonam anu ton na kukon ya two boasia and come a halal and into Yeniano Muslim for now Tom Boasia Wamoswai Bia come to say what to restaurant 10H as a fast food and a chop bar eating joint out on Ninano. We use Wakukonam Nasa, we baby Toby and Nipano on Tomara Essan say, a dibia or say, any Amamri Piani, and a Kama Americani, so yes, too, so young, quite Drobe piano, I Boris Beef Chicken, and I come for a day amount. Bomodian so be drew I Bantama High Street on a Presby, sorry, a D and share a Swanson market, and I feel Poku trading, and so our doom Ubenya B Ato 0544445453 Boris Beef Chicken and so abejo so Kulun Ghana Limited or the Nupana Aba where your Bema what drew a yemienu bako a hunchu capsules and on a babuao Bema Johnson what yaw ebejai Bema Johnson Bemam Eshisho ebeko and what you Junsoriana ebi so a good shots no money no a hunchu capsules and a buana fee asa bo prostate and so by nemom a drum pem na besa today obeso nya tinka we for the wadro no ɛyɛ Mr. Q ɛne na bɛboa ama premature ejaculation ebejai afe araba bazen tablet ɛyɛ mama dro oyɛ ɔba na one bɛma hyiam oteyaw oyɛ ɔba bɛsɛ mogya no circulate ye oyɛ ɔbɛba no sɛ bia wɔn nsɛm ne nyina na akɔ dadwene ana simple irregular menstrual flow ne nyina no ɛyɛ araba bazen tablet no ɛna also pebi enso eto ɛyɛ 0244 275429 0206 271016 na on mpenfono enso enkase afei mekan full Qualitac dental clinic enso amao Qualitac dental clinic almost say ye dental therapy afeban root canal treatment ban crown and bridges ni nyina no womo so ebeya mama seno enya ho demapa ban dental implant afei aye cosmetic dentistry and as orthodontics aye treatment scan anempo ban say be x-ray services ni nyina no almost ebeya ama cleaning and polishing no almost say Qualitac dental clinic and so say yen kan cho say momodi an say obebana almost aboa mo num ho ni die no and so aye kama pata say omo enso eben aye Vegas eho anansa beka Qualitac dental clinic number no aye 0538 250078 and as a 0545 906888 na onim penfono enso enkasa ene anope yenkomra ba na yaba beto aso edefo yekọ commercial no kakra bi aba.
Wana metesa wo ba no se wo Canada.
Oh, woko suku.
Na yesi ajape aba no nso okọ na nso no de okoye adwuma.
Me say, amanfo akọ no. Enya gro.
Jaye no hwa na de won kosa no.
Oh, Express Group for ya.
Express Group.
Yes, Express Group. Obia na nya bre. Pese otukwa ama no ne de. Wo de obekọ simple. If you want to study and work in abroad in any of the advanced countries like Canada, US, Australia, UK and Germany, they will take you there. Let's say a visit. And now turn so we call Dubai, Canada, UK, USA, Australia, and Germany numa. What do we call? Say ya Juma so what do we call Dubai, Qatar, and South Korea. And if you want to write an international test like IELTS, SAT, TOEFL, GRA, and GMAT, they will assist you to write. As a full labor, runabout wa and crying. Kanachi First Light, Tema Community 18, Lashibi Goy Filling Station, Sunyani, Silver House, our High Court, Tamale, Ayama Building, Yabe Tamale Teaching Hospital, Takrade Market Circle, and our offices. Our my baby, so telephone 055 555 0067 and 0249 000448.
Mamisha, time HH Heba Mr. Bina Unumi, and ya what dropa, a ya draw. Yadro say mani peduan kwamwa no enya hoden na akwatia yare entwen yare ansan wakwakoto fire wadro na nom no abribia Kanoga Company Limited what the time TIME ebedwaso no wono a na the time HH Heba Mr. edia bedwaso akra wonyanya mfisia dumienu enum bi wo pemfo ene oba wo ma akra nufuo enso enum bi time HH Heba Mr. wo benya bi
over the counter medicine sellers any shop dodo na mu
so wo pedodo to afre 0244 417669 0244 417669 time HH Heba Mr. Yadro say FDA agye edwadie nkratoe atum.
The ones that now from toothbrush no. Why and toothbrush no. Ninya Ashford.
Nah, Nina Ashford dear. Not so evident no way.
Who that the evidence bang? And then Ninya Ashford toothbrush.
Oh, sweetheart. Ashford toothbrushes no. You want different types. She abena de ya moku Ashford Princess. And now bra could you dear so Ashford Galaxy. What dear na ira no so Ashford Evident. Media so Ashford Executive. And now my media no so Ashford Friendly.
Without Ashford toothbrush
my dear, Ashford toothbrushes are who do dear. Papa, moto. Ne to me bow dodomi ye dani bia akwashisha ho. Ashford Prince, Ashford Princess, Ashford Friendly, Ashford Evident, Ashford Executive, ne Ashford Galaxy toothbrushes. Fibo Ventures na kofa bedaso. To phone friend 0241 545 646. and 0200 600 934. Ashford toothbrushes. They will soon need.
If I shall plan, I'm sure you'll value.
Brad, and not to him.
Not tell me about Michelle and see about Queen Wayne and say,
Brad, said your time about Mister. It's your Jimmy fearful, and not your back ever so.
Really, I know this offending now.
Brad, and make us a midi time about Mr. Juan Dancia. We are singing now about Timinka. It is some malaria. Where do any time about Mister?
I never go, dear, no matter what I want to meet any deal. What do any time about Mister? A drink and your ma or bar waffle through. Dear, what ma for down for any aquada when you fear to me, and son of the time about Mr. Draven. She's a walk hospital and answer lab. I'm what who said, oh, a 3D malaria be answer.
I also time me TIME. Time about Mister. I feel malaria fever be than is Ziva, a woman. Ubenya be at all, over the counter medicine sellers. Any herbal shop to do a name. FDA Aji a judging cratoi at home.
Braka say aduabon waso a ne dwumadi wo nipadua biara pom den ene na brabo mu ne hieye pa enye braka se nko nuaban ne nhaban bi te se kwawunsusu a abonwono ne dia akeka ho no kura enwanunu ahodo a ekwa animu yi ankasa braka se ne sa nuaban bi nom ne akeka bobudi afa abefo kwan so a ye de aye braka se powder braka se powder siesi nipadua na ba kwa ahodo no ho ban afri mpani yade ne yade ahodo pi ho fa enkodate de ma ba ko freduane anopa ne anwumre anafa enkodate de ma ba ko woni sushie yeti anopa ne anwumre wobra wodidi awie ubenya braka se powder to Kingswalk Herbal ne Heroes Herbal Accra Okesi Drug Lane Dani Herbal Kumasi Mensa Takrade Mose Pharmacy ne Greenlight Pharmacy Sunwane Cash and Carry Supermarket Asantoa Herbal ne Bibidro Depot Techiman Sewa Herbal Mampong etufo mfre 0550 19 15 14 braka se powder aduane san yedro FD ahwehwe sankratu mu agiatum
Efiewura nom mo fa maso mfa mekakra na nneje sama bakrom mo amodan ho papai mo ensuosuo no nom fam no amaho nyina frofro any leakages ahodo eham wo mu fie iPon2 contractors added the polystyrene insulation aba eno na babua medan na papai no any ensuo eno nom dan ho amaho nyina frofro no eto nyina betwa iPon2 contractors say what to blocks na wia enhia so be plaster kra bi omo wo fiber cement plastering mortar ye dey fa dan ho nyina enhia so be to cement onto anwia na wonhia painting so esanse Iphone2 contractors at the fiber cement plastering mortar no efa ho wia ebe te se ya painting dan na wiempo enti dan ho be ya so na han ha fefefe Iphone2 contractors ama sese de ne ma yefo e de ma fie wuranom ne bo nso da fom na efe wo de your dan so echem fie pi na emfa ehyew bia so e ma dem Iphone2 contractors aye expert in construction interior and exterior decorations e wo fie ahodo nyinem de hia ni so be from 0555 118684 Hwehweyen
ewo Abrepo Junction ship mu a eben JP filling station
Iphone2 contractors wo we die ensuo bia no nom ye dan bie na dan ni nyina so be ye fafibo
Wope wallpapers papa to OP wallpapers and American for amount. Wope wallpapers decorative offices. Fie and sorry. Say perhaps ahodo. Baby bia unya wallpaper de do juma biano. OP wallpapers Efro. Yama wallpapers macho blind curtains. Ban bedside lamps and so OP MR types or mark shapes. Colors ahodo ni nyina. Ubenya bia to na so ho. Say open LED backlight above flash screen chia and so OP so selfie ring lights out of phone bishim OP wallpapers and selfie ring lights OP Kumasi Doom first floor Nana Kwesiajman building name Tafo GNTC building first floor Anna Chronom or barrier on the market and Edian so open wholesale and answer retail any OP any in South free OP our 0540 353750
Baba Gentleman Dental Clinic you say yebesiesi wosen na yabo wosen ho ban ama wonum enso ati anase wosen animonyam so afa dem tumapa efi wo fix one no anase ye tafre no permanent one no eno susum yesi a untimi entu bi eno ene fe no PFM bridge anase PFM crown afi yesan eye cleaning services oba ye profession mu na ye fe no scaling and polishing se ebia enema bi ahyehyehye esen mu se bi wo kasa etimi mapampan ene ade ebagu na no oba Gentleman Dental ye ni nyina bi ewo ho Gentleman Dental Clinic ye wo Koforidua Central Police Station nkyɛn hɔ a ɛna woduru nkran so a yɛwɔ nungua ɛna atomic down dɔme kwa benya runabout no so hɔ ɛna woduru takrade pipe ano traffic light na ɛwɔ pipe ano hɔ yɛne OGN bank na ɛwɔ the same premises ɛna kachima nso so yɛwɔ magazine market kwan no so hɔ a anase opposite AY Ahmed ɛna woduru Kumasi Abrepo Junction total filling station hɔ a traffic light na ɛnihwɛ G runabout no wofiri total filling station na yɛabron sign no na ɛdi hɔ ɛyɛ adwuma firi ɛda dwoada kopem ɛda memeda wetimi afrɛ yɛ homa no ɛwɔ 055-913-9582.
The Parliament of Ghana presents the Maiden Democracy Cup match between Accra Hearts of Oak and Asante Kotoko, also featuring Parliament 11 and ex-Black Stars players led by Stephen Appiah. Date July 17, 2024 at 3 p.m. at the Accra Sports Stadium. Rate popular stand 20 cedis, upper and lower VIP 50 cedis, VVIP 100 cedis. Partners Ministry of Youth and Sports, France Embassy in Ghana, GFA, Beyond the Return, Ministry of Local Government and Rural Development. Sponsors GCB Bank, Bethel Logistics, Ghana Gas, GNPC, ADB Bank, BCM Ghana, Stellan Automotive, Goyle, NPA, Zoom Lion, Interplus, Anglo Gold Ashanti, KGL, NLA, Wembley, Shippers Authority, NHIS, Petrosol, World Vision, Azar.
Golf shares, V-neck shares, any P or permit to four betu kogu on stores, any boutiques, empty. So also nye juma betu bi cotton na on tisomount. Churches, fan clubs, schools, unions, any ekopia. Muhia dodono. Ede ma mu members no, any mu students no, mumra, mu nso mo pe Friday wear. Ede
the boss na be you. Boss! Bloody no nguyo. Onguye. Nipa ni nguye.
Blasa.
Ele para me fa de tonema.
Ko fabla. So ni me biesi.
Ye na ini.
Efuna adwuma we bro
Yemre na fe abu emfa yemrem e wo fie time about center e say yenkoswane yenka wo say time about mission e wo pharmaceutical ene herbal shops ni nyina mo ya to apitimenu nti say wote yenka enano pay na ohonam yomre wote nka say ni pedua no em say what aye hodwo watoba wontimi nsoro nkonyuma so wa bra bomode yan say drona ye fa ne time about mission be pebi enso anam we eye malaria fever dro tatahwe wonuma to aduane nyo do num ayo nyuna drain Americanfo and so at the amount time HH ba misha and HS and capsules and so ya jumapa and on so your banner be say what say away neat na bibia fire wadro no aina so what time HH mixture anasa ne capsules emu baako bia wobeto bia na ebeye adwuma ne simple enso amount wobekọ baby e ben say bia pharmacy anasa herbal shop bia be wo kwa wo so per time omunno ni bi enso ato 0244 417-669 Banfu Polo SA African print or also use it now what the African print and a pump polo shirt what they pump round neck they pump V-necks and into schools I'm open Friday wear I'm open Wednesday wear yeah that's so kai a teacher format to cool a fain sorry fan clubs outdoor and then just a bank for you know say nay yeah the platinum package about a 20 shirt and a womb and a diamond package and our 15 gold package our 10 silver package our 5 and our bronze and so you're from 1 equals to 4 and also a womb now the idea about a Buffalo classics so no yeah the lapel tops and in the down say be a tra and I say shorts ni na no you chow neat our top na fe down so no yeah and very simple ama FPA which me share edico program be a fe one design be na your fa kaftan so you pam and so ama arches ni na no a Buffalo classics and sana yes fa adwumafo enti so your ba and so your bema unuma de pam na nim say si pam atare hye ni pam ampa ye unsa ampa wadwi ni pana bomodi anso ne Banfu Polo enso ebe kasa off aye santase kwan so aye hinema kokobe ne ho ana unsa beka Banfu Polo 0249 600 789 0599 899 919 Fibo Ventures SA toothpaste no Alfred Fresh herbal toothpaste ewo dwaso into drupo segolena do be abeso to biana onsa ensom abeka na yawo Ashford Princess chairman kwadane mi no oba ne bema no wo bia nya ne de brush design ne kama efe eyen kwada de ho anika enti akwada na nka sebekwa ko brush ne teeth ewo abrawo mame ana se papa no ehu hia so beka cho ba no so onko brush ne teeth afei Ashford evidence and executive Ashford friendly any Galaxy ni nyina no and a toothbrushes are fibo at the aba dear den kakra dia no me hono ho nyina no won sa ebeka fa bi choose ya no pane anwum ebeboa ama Ballon ho by Emma James Emma a ball gum and ho by wa brush no ewura o symptom any tokro biamo e wa braduane bia wadi ane dia aka akira ye fa no say leftovers ni nyina no ebe yi apie se bia wonum ebe hwam kama 0535 45 2263 now also waje also there na Institute of Expert Travel and Tour say omodu tukwan na omona beje work visa amount womoji business visa a student visa ana ope and also ope permanent residence visa wunya ne kan say Canada US Australia Schengen visa ni nyina no we a Institute of Expert Travel and Tour Limited and I say yen kan cho say bomodi anso be bomo pedwuma for ye nurse ni o ye midwife for ye pharmacist afei o ye lab technician adwuma bia o ye bia say o ye queer o ye teacher ni o ye banker asempo oye construction worker oye labourer ni nyina no obeba na mperfon MD enkomo wo so fly soldiers in the second gate on my pay and I just mo ben ho WhatsApp line and also betimi afre 0539 858766 0539 899915 na emperfono enso enjo for so Ghana gross adwuma ewo krom youth no monje number technical vocational and afemeka agriculture and agribusiness and a opportunity amount we a Springboard Roadshow Foundation Mastercard Foundation Alan Limehouse emperfor and a day a buy number no 0308 25 5775 na emperfono enso enjo so na enkomo bia kabiano on emperfono ndi obenya adwuma ye amanyo so ai fine abu se bibia ye okay de
oh bibia aboko na
de bia se pa nyame adu bibia ayira mo se kafa ya munyina meje Ballon
do bia bibia edu ne de za ni braba ye bibia amfa ma no nti Sunday Spain we share
na ma judu de am mfa ma judu no pele na mo mfa ma
za Ballon do is a teams ni bia campaign players and the only player back over Casa Usa, but we just Ronaldo mu akra ye dino. Ronaldo mu ye dino dey wa je
2018 pa.
Wa je team ne ko.
Florentino yes amom dey ama Modric.
Omo be ye campaign bi kra ye mesho. Real Madrid for over the Barcelona. Near what would be yellow. Ehun time. Na France one say bibia de na kwam nyame boa. Near Madrid dia Wednesday, ye Roma Cross Sports Stadium near Bomodena. Democracy Cup no yakona akodi nkoma hodo na aboa man hye ne timi adada dimpa na City City na 6 pm gwan na dwumade na Japan timi a hyase bere no ne be hyase na curtain raiser be koso. Na say we need key battles of omfa mame na mindidi ho koma di the game back we be koso ano be dimpa ye MPC no any ex-footballers no and the way key battles now could you upon Kruma any John Mensah and there's a combination with an wedding park could you upon Kruma also nyade
almost 15 minutes crying about bed near Momo Mesmo grown former players beshom 18
David Yano Cray fancy
okay
a boom in bow
Mate
Arabu could you upon Kruma
by Rebako yem found mambo one will be our call from a kutu by Rebako body ahoma bomuda
Dabi Dabi we don't our skills
Ajima Badumu Bufua o metimi ahyem MPs no member of parliament for na
18 Dabi Shebi ball o ba be
we mo toto to mo panko sa mo be share you for
o ye heavy rough
why
sports minister
oh okay
iti Honorable Koyo Ponkroma the you know no na minister for things Orwani Chema things on now so as a fair no na on a minister for information but that is what be working housing something like that ti Koyo Ponkroma no MPA the man of Fuasia Yebi constituency and on the also no ne John Mensah and I say niama de dana kwama bibia eko kama pa so no etimi de mawa ni nyina eboa man to no edada di party ni key battles no de ma men koma nim na men hwe no na ye nwure ma anti no we su honorable Sam George MPA de man go pram and I know zo ne Lai Kingston na me say o hwe say de niama city
George so hwe no betimi apia ba ne mo ayedu
mo ayedu ko no ne record score me check ye ne se rusi ye no cheso you be on so ni gina na so bo adwuma na kama pa ti yam ze no so no be ye key battle wa kutum ze be ye ya di yakwa ni me the other ones no na ye di on koma di we so no airplane Francis Xavier Kojo Sosu ozo no na MP de ma Madina Mpatemo
Sosu be hunu bobo
no so ni Stephen Bedu me say battle is
so be hunu bobo the crowd yeah ba on to be monche omo ntimi monche
omo na bobe how many minutes no
maybe our coin ma 17
anti Benny dini dey do
say din Xavier no dey the bobo
Francis Xavier Kojo Susu ko se wo jira mu bobo kra ni arabo we dey ka
akawale san ka na blasters
didi na de o that din we dey MPA de Mama Dina ni ade the bobo Xavier dey ka ozo di jira mu bobo yanko anim ne we the other ones no na yam bobo so ana honorable Haruna Idrisu MPA de ma Tamale South I'm the only do no
honorable dey play stone
and the but still onimbo so last time oba Karela for with training guys ojibo no abon ta honorable Xavier fees yam amwa kari tinzi mienu we o first we check it Karela nyame nko o and I steadfast we go playoff na no sure at the job G ayi Fatai Ishaku almost transfer honorable ye game rough it's only coach Ibrahim Tako anyas me say pay we so na no dem pa na yenya okujato ablakwa orwani chemo North Tongue ono zene Fatau Dauda Lion
now when be goalkeeper
more keepers bebre
why okujato na goalkeeper and 23 we boys Ajimabadu nyima center monhye nko a
fazi
because okuba be nanim
omunimbo
ne de so obetimi aka o edin de obetimi aka ba when na training Bobby at say crab by in your training on the day untimi mo
abi o omo nya we na mo yo training dada
say fie na o treadmill
omo boy
fie
omo boy ai oh awome a arabu yo Vincent Asifo ne peso ara ye o tough side last time we video bi na e cover ya fancy o skills be nye
oh my bebo Brazil from the ball to o machi no dey ato o na no
Bobo tie unze obi wa oye okay. And we the record.
But na se ne ka.
Esi wo youngster ona na your captain goalkeeper.
Oso okuje to ayere.
Okuje to. Ho young stars. One na captain. O face 12 penalties. O save 9.
How many years in he?
Up to no year training.
Okay,
you know say volleyball player.
I meant to soon fit 21 men in 19.
Me say no say volleyball player. Acrobatics.
Ken be woni mbo me say last time me wa video bi akoisi fo
tafo
skills man o be kuma o
one one na ba o skills a woni obi an tackle no obi an twa no
akwane de tackle de we na ba yo to ni na mi no ma akwane wi ayaye
asem
video ne ma
me say ajumadu crackers okuboy
okuboy
o jiniti share ni control keke ni
okuboy na ajumadu kan wan bi
bebre na ya asafo di abo
how na drisu one Carolina na training
Mumba na Black Stars.
It's a tremona.
Mumba na Black Stars players. Mumba na former players ne dwa. On the omit me a champ for 24, 23.
Kennedy Japan enya de.
Former players. Opa fasa. Opa former players.
Ya fa boss me line on to so one. Ya fa man to line do.
Assistant prime pin enya de. On the changes no ya de. Wala we Kennedy Japan. On the set chance na for branching.
Miss Rese, sa catching raise your mom 45 minutes. Omo full 90.
Mami, we don't have a fancy dear who be all. Hey, now Ghana the MPs in Omnibo. Honorable Sports Minister, Yenye Udeni, Uye Bue. Honorable Sports
Minister, bench
Udeni,
Uye bench Omobi.
Why? Sports Minister, where Bobola.
Now, who's the Atoba Mamma Mobo? Now I'm on the other bench.
That'll bet you that. What's your question? Hey, now who pay
Mr. Yusuf Nimbobo?
On Muntayo,
Obi Chanakuno.
No, Jumo Bayano.
Why?
Honorable Sports Minister.
Bo
I have this Jabadi.
Oh, Debbie. Honorable Mustafa Yusuf. Bo on to me more 12 minutes.
Hey, Fancy.
Mena me come chero.
Ya na dey report the bro.
Oh, me se mun twan sen no more parliament o. Se me kan me se mun wi a mun twa. Mun fo de ma post no fa more parliament o say na Black Stars former players no omo PR ne se.
E zo na yo mu PR.
We mun nya ho hwe.
O yo mo ya.
Me se ono bu ntimi more 12 minutes. He.
Okay. Ora mate why na hon cover no Emmanuel Ajman bedu akasa ba o kakra. But eti ajingu ne zama obo mo de ka etimi e refa game we.
Respect mo pa ba ensure mo e respect mo say ebinu ne mbo ewra Minister of Health no Okuboy say am say oyobi oni mbo me papa o chairman sadie honorable chairman sadie me panacho o me coach e mo mame because me bonu suli abayetre na me bonu suli wi agi sometime man press up bi me say press up man papa na ma panacho enti ya ready for them we share the place you cry the rise of Stephen Apia ya is senior Suleiman Terry na hwe to the Bafo Osekofo Kwadwa Samoa Hamini Dramani John Mensa Fatawo Dawda Ajima Bedu why be na o hwe team e kura me na boys ama boy na yani ora Dr. Okoboy
ati Francis no em Ajima Bedu aka cheche mani ade abat entija stay e be show mo asase aban e be show mo na niam akoye pet mi ara ma ti we ni democracy camp na egusu edidi un commons en chene e baba beto abarante no kan bi e na aban mu no mpemfo abomode en hyehyɛ de aba be ba
abomame fa breaking news ma almost say Confederations Cup Africa in Swaziland FC and a TP Elect Sport almost free Chad.
Now, Chad, they like to be on the neutral grounds. Or Chad, or them is on Muni State.
Swaziland and Casablanca neutral grounds.
It tells you a neutral grounds for me. Aqua Kushiani,
yeah, about 12 and a Champions League. I had the summer text and TP Elect Sport. TP Elect Sport. Almost free Chad. We didn't swat man for better.
Yeah, who can create a secure qualification.
Sompa Sport.
Omo matches Angola na.
Sompa. Yeah. Is it bet me do how to baby? Any quite opponent no ban a break.
Yeah, omo bebo neutral ground. So there is a mudaho. A mudaho to no crash on a meba. And I confirm it. I mean, the Ababa no. But young to us with the analyze the CAF Champions League no so no. Exactly at 12 p.m. Erbo Modena. Yet me a rare no sumer baby FC Samates so no. Ebit me a fan of Boamanema dead. I mean, two joining our on screen. One was there port free. Hona near more eda. The akomate kwa mana to ntwa po first by yes I do Ghana baby ananke e wono but na modern mona ba first that you de kokofra za Djibouti form ni se she is falling fazi aded is fatini follow somebody akwa from and to mu ye we di wie pe uti anye ya e kwa kukukura asem the amount it is you atman de na ba no exactly 12 yabo modena samate so de na ba betrance o 3 pm no so a erom kama peda man on Africa no and our coach friend Nuruddin edin komo etimi ede afa ho on ne samate score mo kwa kurom no komo no se no abo modde de da che
nti yehu ne se samate se nkonko adetuna
na be yan adetuna mes ye be qualify to group stages inshallah
o shek Sompa a camera mark as I'm qualified to the group
stages. Yeah, qualify group stages. Benyeska. Until a motivation my na players no so umbaya market. Now what mark abuchi na mark bobo. Me dey be am catch am. Ye be we need them catch am masa. O bobo ni year. Aha obre. O ko baby a within one season kwa obre nyina. Asa. Be nipa say the nipa
Edielo komo akra ne coach e bomo de timi de Nuruddin Amadu na komo no di ne ye no krepa and they ya so da so na oronza bobo o ataso ana kakra ndema na service buti na ezo dwanti no no ne ebu din kan but onte na kakra wo botuma yana anije wo hopa eboama ne makoyie pa etimi edmezanze pepi no ye esika asemo nya ne enkomo ne ye tenten no o chechen se bi wa kasasa enko bibia ti ozo hwe zo mo ebobo mode no makonko ni akwa mo de money zone na ne ma dadi pa etimi ede amom no aso no anya your official say Emmanuel Kubi orwani chemu ewo boboku form obofa ko maso ya eni omugo keeper Emmanuel Kubi ye jana manako join FC Samate says ai meche bibia ni good stars mon fancheme 2 years contract na ni we sign ede amom a okona wakwa kobo ejuma boa amane ma de ye pe etimi ede amom ntia no so ye nkoma aba be ramana fi Emmanuel entry Eluta abo modian no chimu edi no nkoma anra orwani chemu adakuja acho no so bo modian first training no etimi ekoso ana no eden pa anra krobia Kumasi Asante Koroko trainer fancy omu ye no eni IMC member coach Akwisi Apia Sudan national team coach ewramu ho eni omo kokudidi nkomo no kakra di antwi no era no uzampa ne ma deda ye pe etimi ara coach so no eba ba bewramu cha champion for na ewo ho no sanso high ntutu eni ye na aboama ne ma deda ye pe etimi eda matim na za Koroko guso a omo ye signings awodo na se de be beboa na season ne chance a abeze 20 something players e jo omo kwan no benye bi mo aba be shimo omo so no betimi abo adwuma na ne ma deda ye pe etimi era mo nya ne de ze no pay be 9:15 na ro ani chemo wo Prempeh the first international airport flight bi ba be lande ye na player de ne buy no fi Congo okay ni di no ye fe ne ma me we da pe fa ba la za fi ya gro le ba bi di ro kroba di ne di bi abapa Samba O'Neil
from Congo
Samba O'Neil
Eba Asante Kotoko
di our baba be rama oba be bo edwuma da ma Kotoko ye Congo under 17 no wa ye edwuma de amon na Gledo Tanga or how to fuck no ne boy ma time no na Samba na captain
okay
he tells us on you play aketo and oba be yidwuma no yes oba ne no oba ni medically we really ma fa Samba is sign a 3 years contract na waba be jinama yidwuma de amakrobia ti omuguso omu sign yes from nena nkonko ram na otwe a e de anim no on be confirm be o ma ze Emmanuel Boayen so no contract ni ade o mo de ascend na agent ni redeem ni ade but oba join o mo no so no am watch na next week obeba na wababa be sign it me de amom nti krobia guso ye ntoto ye hihye na be say anibrere wa ya ba bi obode sha asere ya so folks ya bo Wednesday
democracy cup
ya bo Wednesday
yes
Accra Sports Stadium one of
20 Ghana cedis 50 Ghana and 100 Ghana
20
50 100 Yes, Democracy Cup.
Ambo so ayi ebi fi abnada.
Okay.
Luther the leader of the nation. Say I was here for
the flight we call Tuesday.
Okay. Monitor ground so no.
There's a mobedu kotokana ka on my twam dada.
Awramo parliament house so okay. Niam bi e beko ene ade mfonyini bia ala me de asende mo. Ona
Sompa sports.
Executive so dey aye adwuma mama na maye.
Oh okay.
But you Luther consortium now what no?
Luther so pere wa se mo. Wo yem fana sema Express Group almost say brana found to kwan Express Group ote Canada, US, UK, Australia, New Zealand and Germany work permit visa on Bejamo ticketing and afi mo be some koto mo be say moko holidays Express Group Canadian student visa and afi UK diano omo emane very simple crime to me so bomodi answer on Express Group and penny for Ebeka so almost say yeah bomodi answer baby I will run a Express Group mo bin fa a 6 and no 9 omo Kumasi Asaf labor runabout and grind Kaneshi first light to be who onom anafi a takraden so market circle on my pair and yera kwan a 0249 000448 0555550067 na chese Express Group empenfono enso enjo so Lord Kenya awura akpo Kenya Lord Kenya papa you know medical catch us nyame aduma on the 10th of next month ana chese ebeba so anti shannon so ama me 10th August ana final funeral rise eba so Heroes Park ko ana emse bibia ebeba na fi yakata chama bibia so aye fine yebekọ so abon kai sana mawa bijana na bibia so aye fine yes amezana Mike inhweme na fi yenkwe
Mike say okay please near friend Adumba.
Yeah, Adumba.
Yes, Patase Debo. Yeah. Na ose yen wishe ni nua be my friend Osewus of Osewus Multimedia ewo Ashtown.
Sompa sports.
Osewus unua penny Adumba say yen wish you happy birthday. Na the odo nsabe so bia enyin shira editor of Osewus
Multimedia.
Multimedia ewo Ashtown.
Okay. And Sharak, mama fa we fan twas na Cindy ewo USA Cindy Boache. Na se ye oba kama pa Nyankopon sha so we hwie egune so ma bi kura kogu ne bag nim and ye Cindy awoda enti Cindy Boache in the US and ye awoda ye we show a special and a happy birthday Nyankopon sha onya okese ompejao na onfa wonko eye tenabia foforo tenabia ahomka wom na tenabia so a sika ene apomudin so wom nti Cindy Boache Nyankopon sha onya okese bye.
Wale tutulio wa wechiro horo.
That tell you can I say you
Ma mreshi mi nua me dina chi happy birthday Ebenezer Kyoku we na friend Oja and ye ne birthday as say.
Why so far
that be Oja secular music ni ade and ye ne birthday.
Na wo de ball na fa.
Me fa ball I
no fa nwom to. It wa what na se anwa nim to see na hema luta e do ye.
Whereas Botimbe.
Me ball kono ngo odumasi me ball
games kakra na
okay ball universal kakra
korokofo na hu ana
odokofo no
na boss
me kra metumi abo
obo say
me dago na ma metumi asa bontente no ahode am
nice
asarbo striker
o chibo
me chibo na
me striker man ball hat trick simple
me na me ko ye ball games bi na me ko ball na felesa na ho e was go we na da no agya na oya nyindro adwuma na
sa
ma me nyewe
me convert in a striker among country
go 2 goals
straight
one mo chene zaro
okay professional football players you oba here mo a church
me coin na
revival life outreach
akomia de dina no
na ye coach no wa hye the team o de ma men cast me ba wa hye the team me coin na me hwe de we omusi organization was poor one the organization was poor team ni shape enti ye lusu ball na no no mo de ball ne ko na me gina ho di me hwa de nam se debi there needs to be changes half time because I'm say akomia o de nya bo
gina nche
o na your head coach me assistant but step aside it was step aside I'm say no me hwa de virus muna he has the touch. he has the talent, he has the potential to score plenty goals for us. Inti, Varas hold dash kwa. Na main far midfielders ni engineer ha. Na men spread it out. Inti we no formation na as a bow and arrow. Arrow ni a bow ni a jashem sa. Bisa Varas. In less than 10 minutes, we about 2 goals.
There's a community majuma.
Me say onim team sheshe.
Okay.
Onim team sheshe.
Now why in a mobile return match no? Who coach?
Sir.
Coach coach return match
after that game no. Ano omobedi me hon konkonsa wa hana. Omoma me warn and say I should never go near coaching the team. Me and I'm so and I'm on family team. Team Jai. It's me marital from coaching. This will be the main.
Some I'm come from because yaba.
Oh, met to Tom come. Oh, coaching is a problem. Met to Tom come.
Ish, masa. Ish.
Na player me do bem second half. Eche na me pene you no cross.
Player do bem fufro.
Benini bem second half.
Player do bem fufro.
Na me also pay you no frame cracker. I should tell you. Oh, it was a beautiful day. Bavara's doing ball.
Some passport.
On him go ne that Samson in ball. I'm a striker pan.
And I still say also because it's carbon more, answer. No football agent say in empty mouth.
Football agent is you have me Dianca Mobile 20.
That be we were about to send 17.
But see there. Oh yeah. Oh what's this if you are? Oh what's this if you are? Let's see me I was oh and then I'm here. Hey, see born with Jadi. Oh what's this if you are?
Assembly chichire me.
Yeah,
say can one asem. I think sir with and Mike shall say with that topic of your players, managers, contract.
I'm not say some text for statement on the ban me hui. Almost say omoda so ne keke that so you under contract or you contracted to a summer text details na say.
On say Mike Bemau the main details and other Mike Momu the main details of
the contract be this month, the ending of this month.
And then so 11th.
Yeah. And see, as we speak, Emmanuel Keke is a bona fide property of FC Samatex 1996. Contract an offer has been expressed, an offer has come, interest has been expressed, say club Wapel. The right thing to do, even if your contract is ending, is to inform your employer. But you must with this, team way up so more pay. Then they take the necessary steps and then so know how to go about things. And now say, so person who freer, you engage your employer and mutually terminate with deal no. And sakra na wako club for wako. That has not been done. So as we speak, Kayeke still has a running contract with FC Samatex. And the coach or body am saying either. So now, only the team will need to come up with explanations. And then 2, they will need to find reasonable waypoints to raise to try and then quell a year because one match and when you're friendly a competitive fixture evidence or I could do FIFA hope fine case player gets a ban club gets a fine. See almost no deal with situation.
Me problem with
that's what come at the end of this month now. And 11 how many days naka
fancy open walk on say omubo season ni wie no na rumors na say APR for ne be scout ono any say do Dauda at the end of the day they were impressed with Dauda and omo fa Dauda de ne ye dey e de ne call e
to fu say bia clubs no pen for na mama mafia na
oh and I say also be on my desperate to move me pese me call as me pen intent me pese me call and they say and scar bia kwa di Rwanda. It will also so could be 10 times no more bia but we are the manager we are boy na nkasa due diligence ben away me I'm not sure say with 20 days left Samatex per suma odi asuma mo abo mo Magic League no omo trimu adin say den kwa omo ma unko
yeah
omo trimu adin say den omo ma unko ye players managers ebu our contract in the kromo nkan mu iti no bi otimi fetch o se me na me manage akoda we na akoda no wo na wa ba be di nsem afaska we ni faska we fama me o ma akoda na sign contract bi ana na adwen kura mponi so we are professional players, let's act like professional players. So omo fa nyoma be serious crack because this thing no so omo de kwa CAF and omo de kwa FIFA na ban bemu a obeka se sama extreme eden ba mi won akwa ofa so free club ni so wanye dey wanye ni ye free ni dos dodo mo pe free dodo ono manager ne sign contract no se ye ne se de bedroom be bia me kwa me ko free na magiska na gumi boto mo pe free dodo club for no so duebo because mo so mo players ni bi we exemptions of some few clubs or mutual players kaya ebi mo on ma 500 cedis 800 cedis o ma ne boat trainings aga na so 3 pm ball awia se ni trimu saa be ne no nko free because bra wa bre o so te so abe oh you are 4 months kwa ne salary kwa untwa ma no we are not running a professional football staff e wo kromo ase there are few clubs who does that I've grown it also in this age and time. Ya banu wa one way because they say we are in a computerized system. Bibia with the internet match our boy in evidence ni bibia they can go and bring it. Utimi nyane. Munya botre. Move ne ba obeko. It deserves so obeko even if you want to go for free ma due diligence mrem to nyoma ye. Na make sure say baby a wo kono obetima hye on your mayi
me sure say sometimes o sanke bi players need me nye bold enough nya sanke bi a wotie e bia players no so mo side of the story say nya se bia wo kono time say bia club ni negotiate so be extending a contract e bia no mama so treat because then be ba so bi nya obone a chinchine try me extend me ko for free because the same summer test we na koroko career e kwa bibi ono omo ju si baby ye tinka obi a memfa na say konfuboni a watena yi ho de what must say
after the show I had some calls from Samates supporters ni bi on mostly omo ye no say supporters ni involved into a more platform bi so no me say picture na obo no ko to so ntina e bi nim de ye show me na hu so obi asene sa ni edi nkomo ne e ye omo ya wo
na say be ne ya
fans na ye omo ya and say obi wo Ghana ha e be ka say won treat ni players here on kan Samates
okay
me say so call mo baby omo players ndana kayeke any some other players professional treatment kakra omo de no ya omo dan ya say different from obi
as senior players be
ye feedi mo anopa nwere o da fie o tuntia light be untia hwe but so me so waju siga o yare akọ hospital wo plus nipa bi san kan
tisas go de ni bi no
ndu eden nko a omo ya Mami phone wo jom tunyom the chance ba be din keke ntina yo mo ya pa di se babi wo ya mouse ka se bosumi akatua kam ni ade a ha nka ho
wow
ko chamo the last time ni din ko ka kire me se aha kra de ye so no wadi ka kokko bia o ka tisu bia se ha de ye enye babi num na be tuma ni ntua o ka aha so person obo bra o sikaro pam sanka anopa nwumre awia no anopa nwumre awia no na bedi ti Samates nya baby abeka so ho kyerɛw ndi wo kɔ
asemo
that is the about no but and so atremas when you kind of a good draw say or the way it to so you see teams or more Chad ne other regions find they've qualified. I'm not downplaying or more modern one as a way, but it means that gap on Kesebia ni woni omuntem. And it's all to nyoma ye kakrebia. You are able to beat them. And your problem has not been the first prelims, So it's the first round. And no your problem Kesie. Your problem Kesie ni negotiating passage from the second and even now they are co-remo group stage. And I am hard. And this hurdle I expect in Swatreman FC to get it over TPL export. No more, but they will need to work for it, especially after coaching changes. The plan has remained the same, just as a year or more board chair, executive board chairman, Honorable Ignatius Bafwe Wakai said they had already had plans on recruitment near there, so they will have a list to follow, even in the absence of Maswo Kunedu. But how the new coach settles in and quickly gets them in shape to play two important qualifying games, crucial. The Emirs Ramo Mokakrano fancy the next game after this. The second prelims, you know, Ombeshia the winner of CS Constantine of Algeria, and as a Rwanda's Police FC.
Nase win kwan so atrama na ese di kan bo home.
Yeah. Enti eno na memisro mo kakra the second prelim round.
Okay.
Omo winia there was here no.
Yeah, Constantine
and then Police FC do be winning na so atrama nkoko hia no. For a team oye new to start a competition no. At times you need the luck of the draw. You can't lack of the draw and they say kwan ya obefa so areba ko drew group stage no. Na emugo kakra ma wa eboapa especially when you are facing teams within the sub-Saharan region, ebia West Africa, you get even East African clubs, ebwa. But say North Africa, honona issues kakrano, but I want to believe that Jumedia so mudi in 24 players, everybody, they will commit to it and then get them to where Dreams FC got to at least. Now, etimia keeping the momentum.
Mate, madam say, I say
team there say abani bamu no. Ghana flag ne da ho.
Yeah.
So
Ghana flag ne da ho.
Well, I mean, fa me course ne, member na me fa me course no, but Tugbe ahaban keke asigbilibo sokalo or say yeah monhwe no Takas TV afi obi a me say obeda so da rough da basa ne sa no mani nyina no Tugbe se monbre joso Bonfo Hospital Junction 244484747. Nemo, I mean, from a course no 0551931931 0548931931. Hello, caller.
Yes, sir.
Open it yet you.
With Robert, I'm a catastrophe coaching class and you put that in 2 days in another.
Okay.
But the academic came and said, I also brought that class to cook up. In Bay Bono, as a Moya is through Kaka, as a person in Cassin Sino. Omoya is true. Yano for no quan, no more simply for Madame. I'm going to move a place and blast to cook now to cook Timiloso. And Yapono, Medasi.
Oh, yeah, say hello.
Fancy.
Yes, sir. Good morning.
Yeah, good morning. Solomon here.
Solo, it's here.
I say once I'm late. And I'm from Power Saturday, so watch my other general. I'm more near the Japan about so fancy. I think I'm more like a player almost some club now. And maybe this idea. Ombeko na Ombema Menya and the whole now, I'm over teams, you know, team of moving mobile, or so more at the mobile now. Because you say a quarter for a cousin, so call a open, so by a agent, and you also call a free agent. The game with the cousin, ye took and another video. Where the quiet on so chill with my carbon. Yes, I take a trend one day, because of Michelle, I will make out.
Oh, you're foul for hello.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning, sir. You're first August free.
I was at the Pukuni, President Sefita.
Aja, it's you.
I was at the American, may bomb the Mutubu Association Sports in I could say any moon in DNA sports and Sompa. The film, Obama Pastor, but me take very Tapoku.
What's your name, Chigakra? Okay. Yes, so you're the CP, say Oba. So, hello. Opening, it's you.
Yeah,
Rich, it's you.
Essa mudança é almost make it started then. Only small contract. And I press
okay, Mate. I'm saying, okay, Diana, I will come some say the manager, Monim, who be an answer. Say, okay. Whoa, hello. Hello, caller.
Hello.
Yes, sir. Good morning.
Good morning.
Me watch you. Dini baby, I can say free name to you.
Me did tell you. Me first Western region. Oh, the boss.
It's you.
Let's meet them. It's about House of Folk. House of Folk. And say recruitment now. Yeah, no. And say yet we are fast. Now you teach your place. Me can over to me banner. Over to me training now. Yet to me and your court team. Last season. Place now you place here and yet because was a position you be and then say
Talking no money, we know now, come together now, to me, a conjoin, to me, in that good position, or league this season. Even now, we saw a bus on the car from the house of folk company for make sure that you are separate of
okay, that's it. Last caller. Hello. Hello. Hello, caller. Okay. Want me and the last caller no. Yam fancy na yam wabon real quick. Happy birthday to Obapa Efia Obefia and Ewa with that Twitter influencer Efia Babia Obi and OKT ranking Shadrack and myself. Yeah, we show a happy birthday. Yamin sure na Pejao and from Kusi Babia Wakuma and so 21 second happy birthday Elko Amau. Happy birthday to your Vinicius our Angel FM Angel. When I have Vinicius anti Vinicius Elko Ediamau. Madam Ama Nyame Kudran Sante Koroko protocol officer and say Yame show a year our dapante Madam Amanyame Babia Obiano and Yame show our dapa. Happy birthday going out to Abna Lacey Abna and Ewa da we and so birthday blessings are Bawon chain and so Anope yeah see sorry soon.